This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Notes app and navigating to the target note. Make sure the text is visible. Next, select the text you want to mark, tap and drag, or double tap, then expand the selection. Once selected, watch the small formatting bar or context menu that pops up above the text. That menu contains the only built-in highlight action for typed text. Act now. Find that menu so you can apply the visual emphasis you need. After revealing the context menu, tap Highlight to apply a standard yellow mark to typed text. If you want another color, open the formatting or text style controls. On iPad or Mac, this shows color choices. For handwritten notes, use the markup/highlighter tool. Pick a color, then drag with Apple Pencil or finger. You can change tip size and opacity for heavier or lighter marks. Once done, make sure highlights are visible. To finish, tap away from the selected text to commit the highlight, and then close the note. Note saves automatically. If you use multiple devices, give iCloud a moment to sync so highlights show everywhere. If the highlight command is absent, make sure your device is updated and that Notes is set for rich text. Alternatively, use markup for handwriting or paste the text into a new note. Tip: restart the app if formatting commands still don't appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.